This 2026 Forest River Forester La 1951 LE Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, 33905 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features sleeps 3. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 Forest River Forester La 1951 LE Ford is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.